Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this kind of nice and simple office chair. As you can see right here, offers a really nice lumbar support. I'm going to show you that in a few seconds. But the best thing about this chair, besides that it supports up to 300 pounds, so based on the size, I think this is actually a really good amount of weight. But the other good thing about this one is that the actual cushion, it's more firm than anything. It's kind of like cushion on the sides. It has a high density foam right here on the sides, but like on the center piece, it's more firm than anything else. So I really like that. And as I was saying before, the fact that you have a really nice lumbar support right here, this hard plastic feature that you can actually move up and down to actually get it to your knees. Let me actually show you that, because you can sit right here and you can actually feel that this gives you a really nice support back here on your lumbar area. And I think for sitting for long periods of time, that's the most important thing, no discussion. That's what I think, at least. Also, the armrests are padded right here, are cushioned, and you can also put them in a storage position, just like this. So you can actually put the chair underneath your desk. So this is for you to take a look, like a closer look to the chair. As you can see, it has a really nice mesh right here, kind of like an elastic mesh. And it has one more feature, like every other chair. Of course, you can change the height just like that. But also, if you lock, now it's locked, and you unlock, it has kind of like a really nice rocking, I have to say. Just like this, it's like a rocking feature, not a recliner, but a rocking instead. So I think this is a good chair if you're looking for something basic, not super complicated for home office or students or something like that. But also, if you lack of a space and you need to actually store your chair underneath your desk. I like it. It's a very firm structure. It has a really nice and firm cushion right here, and for sure the armrest that you can actually pivot, and has this padded right here as well. And for sure the best thing I think is the lumbar support right here. I like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.